Hey, welcome to lesson 1, unit 4. In this lesson, we're going to be talking a little bit about jazz harmony. And in this unit, we're going to be arranging for jazz, a jazzy style. So we're going to learn some things about articulations and what they are and how to put them in, ties, the complex rhythms. What we're really talking about is to make the style of your music more accurate. A different kind of form. And you guys just got done composing 16 bar AABA forms. Well, we're going to learn about the 12 bar blues, which is another kind of form, and really just making our music sound jazzy. So we're going to start with some simple melodies that you probably will recognize, and we're going to make them a little bit jazzy sounding. So today we're going to talk about the difference between jazz harmony and regular old European traditional harmony. You can see in this picture here that we've got some major chords that are some chords that are going up. Some of them are major and some of them are minor, and this one over here is diminished. You don't really need to know what that means for now, other than just that that's what it is. You can see that these European chords have 3 notes stacked on top of each other like snowmen, and that's pretty common for traditional European harmony. We call those triads, 3 notes, tri meaning 3, triads. So the next thing I want you to notice underneath is how there are numbers underneath the scales here. Right now, it doesn't really matter that you really understand why they're there, other than to notice that they're in order in Roman numerals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. And that the uppercase ones, if you look here, it says major, are major is uppercase, minor is lowercase, and this diminished is the little 0. And that's important to know, but it's not important that you know why yet. At some point, it might click as to why on your own, but for now, just seeing that they're there. So now if you look at the common jazz harmony, you can see that they added an extra note on each triad. So now there's 4 notes instead of just 3. And even in jazz, they might even add another one on top or another 2 on top. So they're 4-note chords instead of 3-note chords. They just sound a little bit more interesting. You also might notice that the chord symbols, this says C major, but this says C7, are a little bit different. So the 7 stands for how many notes above C it is. So if you were to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you can see that it's 7 notes above. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all the 7th means. And so you can see all these are 7 chords now because they all added an extra note on top. So let's hear what they sound like. First, the European harmony sounds like this. And now we'll listen to the jazz harmony. Notice that it's a little bit more complex sounding. So that's basically the harmonies. Now what I'd like you to do is click on the next video, which is going to show you how to do the next activity. And you're going to use some of this harmony to complete that activity. So if you need to refer back to this video, feel free to click on it and watch it again.